This is garlic egg, green garlic eggs, and okra. So watch out and see how I'm going to make this soup. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel. Enjoy cooking show. So this is the salmon fish I will be using to make this wonderful soup. This is my delicacy. This is garden egg, the green garden eggs, and these are okra. So watch out and see how I am going to make this wonderful great soup. This is shrimps, and these are all the ingredients I will be using for this cooking. Watch out and please subscribe to this channel, and thank you as you do. So this is the time to start cooking this very delicious soup. Watch out and see how I will transform all this food. So right away we're going to add this fish. So these are the fish, the salmon fish. Add them into the pot. So right now I'm just going to add this ginger and garlic. See? It's time to add all the ingredients. So these are the seasoning. A little bit of salt and turmeric powder. Just gonna add just a little bit of water to this cooking. I'm gonna let this simmer for at least 15 minutes. So this is it. It's very well cooked. So it's time to take out all the fish. These are all the fish. Just taking it out. So this is the okra. Right now I just have to put them inside this broth. So now I'm just going to add crayfish. This is actually ground crayfish. These are chopped onions, and this is shrimps, fresh shrimps. Now I'm just gonna add a little bit of ground chili pepper. So let it simmer for at least 2 minutes. Then we add other ingredients to it. So right now I'm just going to add this green garden eggs already cooked and mash. Add it to this okra. Just going to add a little bit of water to it. So let it cook for at least another 2 minutes because the garden egg is already cooked before. So another 2 minutes, then we'll add all the remaining ingredients and serve. So this is the soup. It's cooking so well. So right now I have to go and put all the green spinach. So right now I'm just going to add a little bit of olive oil to it. Just drizzle a little bit of oil to it. This is one of the most delicious soup you will ever eat. Very hearty, it's full of flavor. So this is it. Right now we're just going to add all the fish. Now we're just going to add all the fish, all the salmon fish. These are all the salmon fish. This is soup full of flavor and heartiness. This is one of the best soup you can cook and eat and really enjoy. And please subscribe to this channel, Joy Cooking Show. Thank you. I'm gonna be serving this soup with love. So this is it, my okra soup and garden egg salmon soup. This is all flavorful. You see. So it's time to serve this food. So it's time to serve this very delicious soup full of flavor. Serving this soup with love. is the soup. So this is the soup, and I hope you all enjoy it. Thank you all, and please subscribe to this channel, Joy Cooking Show.